Hello Hashima, this is a video for Thursday, May 7th for lesson 123, coordinate pairs. So this is a continuation of yesterday's lesson when we started talking about coordinate systems where you have an x-axis and a y-axis, and you use both of those number lines together to help mark specific locations on a grid. So today we're going to be able to name points using coordinate pairs and use coordinate pairs to plot points. So fact number 1 is a review from yesterday. We can list coordinate pairs with the x coordinate first and then the y coordinate. To be clear, the x coordinate is the amount that goes over, so this one, and the y coordinate is the amount that you go up and down. So x is over, y is up and down. So I say over and up because that's where you need to go first. Okay, fact number 2. Each coordinate tells us the distance that we need to travel along the axis to arrive at an exact location. So every coordinate tells us the distance or how far we need to travel along the axis. So you might see some questions that are phrased in a way that says something like, let me scroll down so you can see, what's the, oops, that's too far. What's the distance from 0 of this point right here? So the distance from 0 is 5. It's 5 away from 0. Or the distance from the y-axis of this point is that it's 2 units away from the y-axis and 4.5 units away from the x-axis. So think about the distance or how far away something is from one of the axes. All right, so let's just take a look at example A here. So it says, the captain of a pirate ship has a chart to help him navigate through the islands. He must follow points that show the deepest part of the channel. List the coordinates that the captain needs to follow in the order that he will encounter them. So you can see the ship is right here, and he's going to take this path through the islands, and we're going to mark his locations using specific coordinates. So the first point, the first one that comes in his path, is right here. So like I said, we're going to do the x coordinate first. It's over 5. And then it's up to right here. And if you just drag your pencil or your mouse across, you'll see that it's halfway between 1 and 2. So the y coordinate is 1.5. So this exact location is 5, 1.5. And that's what I listed right here. The next coordinate or location goes right up to here. So if I want to find the x coordinate first, it's over 3.5 and up 3. So 3.5, 3. The third coordinate is right here. So in order to find it, I first slide on the x-axis. So the x coordinate is 2. And the y coordinate is halfway between 4 and 5, so 4.5. So here we go, 2, 4.5. The fourth coordinate is right here, because again, the boat's going like this. So here is over 4 and up 6. So you can see the coordinate is 4, 6. The next one is 5.5, 7.5. So 5.5, 7.5 right here. And then finally, the last coordinate is right here, 7, 9. So it's over 7, up 9. So you can see I made a list of 6 coordinates for these 6 dots that follow the boat along this path. Let me scroll down to example B. It says use the grid to complete the tasks. So first label the x-axis, then label the y-axis, then name the coordinates of each point in the chart. So I've got my x-axis labeled here, because that's the line that goes horizontally, and the y-axis is labeled right here, because it's going vertically. The last thing I need to do is name the coordinates at each point in the chart. So starting with point A is right here. I have it listed as 1, 1, over 1, up 1. Point B, over 3, up 1. Point C, over 4, up 3. Point D, over 0, we don't have to go anywhere over here, over 0, up 3, so 0, 3. And then point E is over 3, up 0, so the coordinate is 3, 0. So hopefully this makes sense. You are going to try to do this on your own. It is a continuation of yesterday, so hopefully you'll have at least some understanding, and we'll go over it later today on Zoom. Have a great day.